Hey everyone, it is me, Giovanni, and I am back in another video where today I am in the middle of war. Oh, never mind. Okay, we are playing, mini pixel? Mini, something with mini. Or, let's see, is there a teleport? Oh, I already teleported. At least you can go back to lobby, see? Nah, I won't do it. Starting in 40 seconds. That's a long time. How many? I'm gonna return to hub. I think I did, or did I return to the game? Lobby, and this is called, I don't know. I'm going a Marco battle. A Marco battle. Click me to play. And I did. Blue team. I wish it was like a green, yellow, purple, like all those teams. Not just red and blue, but that's okay. Missions. Oh. Bum bum dum bum. You have a pretty cool suit right here, man. Wait, none of you created your suit? None of you? Am I the only one who created them? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Oh. I'm just looking around, just hitting stuff. Oh, it's the same thing. Just different. Oh, no. Okay, I'm making a little, like, wall that goes all the way between, all the way over here. Oh, the guy had the same thing. And kapow. Oops, sorry, Mr. Builder. Did I get her? No. Gotcha. Attack you. Gotcha. Oh, I got you again. Did I get her? Close. Got her. Get out of here. Haha. You made a wall like all the way. I want to be the sword character sometimes. I kind of like the bow. Bow's not that bad. You again, Mr. Potato. What? Ta-da! Okay, let me go to the other side. Oh, I can't? Get up there. 2, 1, start building. I am on the Pia. So if I get up here, make a little wall that they can't attack. Move. If I go up, jump. Put that there. What? To dust. What? That's actually really good. How are you still building? Who cares? How do I attack you? Like, oh. You're building. Oh. Found you. Got him. How are you over there? Okay, so. Invading right at you, bro. Bop! Dang it! Come on, get him. You're smart with blocks. Yeah, you got him. Oh, every time you kill him, you get to go another level. Get it? How are you still in there? Why? Oh. No, that arrow went far up. I think we have to take over his kingdom first. So we need to shoot. Wait, is there someone hiding in there? There was! Sneaky spot. Couldn't find your name. I'm just breaking their tower because... Could we build? Could. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Perfect. Good. Oh, it's build time. Give me more blocks. Okay. What? 1, 2. Fall down. Oh! Shot me. The other side did pretty good, actually. At least I'm still on it. This game is long, actually. I didn't know where to go. Okay. We did so much building here. This is where we... You know what's crazy is that we were right here. We killed so many people, we went all the way right here. Is it build time? Yes. Oh, we want more space. Bop, bop. Whoa. Oh. What place did I come in? Wonder what place I came in. Now let's return to hub. Whoop. Come on. Okay, we're going. Connecting. Yay. Master Builders. How about Cake Wars? I haven't played that. Archer, Warrior. Okay, I'm gonna be Warrior. Acquire quit. Because I like swords better. Let's play. Okay. Is this still? Every time we have to pick blue. Blue. 2, 1. Okay. So, how do we do Cake Wars? Anybody? Oh, I wanted that. Okay. Collect your cake at all cost. Go. Catch it. Shh. Okay, so what's in this chest? Nothing, actually. Brick shop. Now, what can you trade with bricks, mister? 5 bricks. Okay. Hey, let me get some too. 3, 4. One more. Ta-da! Can I get trade with you? Okay, diamond sword. So now I got a diamond sword. Karate. You can karate chop all of you. Someone's coming, guys! Run! No! Oh, I died. Good red team. Let me see my team. People are still gonna die. Pop. What you wanna do is green. Green. Yay, I'm green. Green. Everyone going green. Please, I'm a YouTuber. If that forced people to do that, actually, that would be good. Green. Even my name's green? That's so cool. Give me it. Give me it. I want bricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brick shop. How do we get to you? Bricks. Which we can get that. 2, and what's in there? Nothing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Well, if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!